Hey Canva lovers! If you're running a digital business or just love keeping things organized visually, you're going to love today's video. We're diving into magic charts in Canva Sheets. Canva's AI is not just for pretty designs anymore. Now it helps you create actual charts from your data automatically. So here's what I'm working with. I've got a Canva sheet that tracks a TikTok ads campaign where I'm selling 4 different digital products. The table includes columns like impressions, clicks, orders, and delivered. Basically, all the important stuff we need to measure performance. Now let's turn this data into a visual chart, super fast and easy. First, I select all the columns I want to include. Then I head over to Actions and click on Magic Charts. Canva instantly generates a clean bar chart for me. But here's the cool part. You can explore tons of other chart styles too. Just click on View All Charts and you'll find everything from pie charts to line graphs and more. I'm sticking with the bar chart for now because it's perfect for comparing product performance. Let me show you how to customize it a bit. Click on the chart, then open the data panel. I'll keep the product names as labels. And for the bars, I'll display the clicks, orders, and delivered numbers to show how each product is performing. If you go to the Customize tab, you can tweak things like the legend, the axis labels, and even align the data labels to make everything look clean and centered. And the best part, the chart stays linked to your data. That means if your table updates, the chart updates too, automatically. You can add it to any presentation slide and it stays perfectly in sync. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments. And if there's a specific Canva tip you want me to cover next, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. See you in the next video.